Palladium against US dollar this week has risen in value, reaching the support level at 1043, and then the price returned all the way back down, forming this bearish breakout on a Wednesday and continuing to fall down even more on a Thursday. And on a Friday we can see that the price is stopped just below this support level. Weekly time frame shows us that we currently have a bearish candle formed on the chart with a larger wick on the upper side. Monthly time frame shows us that we are currently almost at the open price where the month has started. So currently there is no clear signal where the price could go at the end of this month, because we have one more week until this month closes, and the price is at a very important support level where we can see the price could not go below several months ago. So for any more conclusions, it is the best to go to the lower time frames, where the weekly time frame does not show too much information, at least what I can see right now. But I can see that the daily time frame shows us clean information, at least for me, that the price will go even more down, reaching this area where the start of this demand zone is. So the target for the next week for the Palladium is for me that the price will reach 944.67 support level, and from there I will see where the price will go. Will the price manage to make a bearish breakout to go even more down, or the price will form some kind of price action signal that will be signal pointing that the price will return above to the higher price levels. So for now, if you have any questions, and also if there is any potential breakouts happening on the market, I will share that inside the Telegram group, just like I have done in this week, where the price has been forming a better breakout. I have shared with the traders that the price will try to move even more down. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.